Good morning, this is Oscar. I got a call from my brother concerning a 2000 Chevy Astro van starting and then stalling. We talked and he did an initial tap on the tank and listened for the fuel pump. So far it appears that that's working. He added 5 gallons of gas. I'm going to get a fuel pump tester right now and then go over there, and he and I can do a test on the fuel pump, see if that's the issue, if it's electrical or any relay. We'll take care of a diagnosis today on a 2000 Chevy Astro van. Okay, on my way to Vashon Island. There it is. Okay, we took the cowling off to hook up the pressure test for the fuel pump. It turns out the fuel pump is producing pressure. Okay, update on the 2000 Astro van. I tested the fuel pressure and then I did a code test and there was no codes. I took the distributor cap off, the rotor, checked for spark coming into the distributor and going out, and we have spark, but it fires up and then it stalls. And I've got to do some more research. So phase 1, completed the test on the fuel pump, tested for codes, and cleaned up and tested the coil. It fires up and then stalls right away. Fires up, stalls right away. All right, listen up. Hear that? It starts up and then it dies. And there's no indicator lights and no codes. But it shows it's working because it's firing up, so something is shutting it down. Okay, phase 1 over. Diagnoses have not found the problem. Plan B.